if you were to look at a modern drawing of the orbits of Sirius and Sirius B and compare that to the ancient Dogon drawing, you'll see that they match up almost identically.
The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is a silent witness to the mysteries of the cosmos. We've explored its barren surface, mapped its craters, and brought back rocks for analysis. But what if we've missed something? What if hidden within the lunar dust lies evidence that we are not the first visitors to this cosmic body? Could ancient technology, perhaps not of this Earth, be buried on the moon, left behind by an advanced civilization? And if that's true, where else might their technology have been found? Today, we'll explore pieces of mysterious technology, some found on the moon, others here on Earth, that suggest we might not be alone, or the first. Number 1. Mysterious structure on the moon. The first entry into our deep dive into ancient technologies is none other than a mysterious structure that was reportedly discovered on the moon. This lunar anomaly has sparked wild theories among scientists and conspiracy enthusiasts alike. Unlike the natural formations on the moon's surface, this structure appears to have symmetrical designs and straight lines, which are features rarely seen in nature. It has led to questions that stir the imagination. Could this be evidence of a lost civilization or even an alien outpost, predating humanity's first footsteps on the moon? Which one is cuter? Like for the dog, comment for the cat. Even more perplexing, though NASA's Apollo missions photographed this unusual structure, its origins remain unexplained. Some speculate it might have been part of a technological installation, one abandoned millions of years ago. If this is true, we may not have been the first visitors to Earth's celestial neighbor. Is this proof that an advanced civilization had been here before us, exploring the stars long before humanity? Number 2. Lunar Mystery Hut. There's exciting news coming out of China's Yutu-2 rover, and it has set the entire space exploration community buzzing. Recently, it's been working its way across the Von Karman crater on the far side of the moon. It spotted what looked like a cube-shaped structure on the horizon to the north in November of 2024. According to a Yutu-2 diary available online by Our Space, a Chinese-language science outreach channel affiliated with the China National Space Administration, CNSA, it had been conducting the mission's 36th lunar day. The object was referred to as a mystery hut. The images emerging from the lunar mission show unusual formations interpreted by some as alien structures. Number 3. Alien bases. From 1969 to 1972, NASA launched 6 Apollo missions to the moon, and while the era is considered to be the golden age of space exploration, much of its interesting dimensions were kept hidden from the general public. Take, for example, these images, which were taken of one of the regions on the far side. The far side is generally uncharted territory of the moon, which has only recently been explored. But when these images were captured in the 1960s, quite a few questions were asked by experts, which were hushed up. Ken Johnston was a test pilot for NASA in the 1960s, and he had an interesting story to tell about some of the images captured on the far side of the moon. These dome-like structures looked suspiciously unnatural and gave rise to speculation about hidden extraterrestrial bases on its far side. What's alarming is that when Ken insisted on answers and explanations about them, he was instructed by his superiors to pipe down immediately. As we can see, it was easier said than done. Number 4. Unexplained concentric craters. Speaking of dome-like structures, let's now talk about circular craters. The moon's surface is richly marked with circular patterns all over its surface, some of them large and some small. They create a pattern unique to the moon, lending it a strange beauty. These craters are actually spots where millions of meteorites have been hitting the moon's surface, largely because it doesn't have an Earth-like atmosphere to protect it. Interestingly, some of these craters are just too perfectly circular to be natural. If these couldn't be natural, Who or what made these? These concentric circles are clearly visible, and with no natural phenomena like wind and natural erosion to play a role, the craters are very definitively marked. It's hard to miss them, and they seem to be telling a very interesting story on their own. Number 5. Alien moon. What if there are traces of an entire alien planet on the moon? Analysis of lunar rock brought back by Apollo astronauts shows traces of the planet called Theia. According to scientific theory, the planetary system was formed by a game of dodgeball between the planets. The moon was created by just such a cataclysmic collision, and they found traces of another planet, Theia, in the 1980s in its soil samples. As a theory, it was pretty interesting, but recently found evidence suggests it is fact. Now, a more refined analysis of moon rock has found evidence of material thought to have an alien origin. This is the first time definitive evidence for the collision theory has been found. As theories go, it's cataclysmic, yet too fantastic to believe. What if these traces are from a bygone civilization inhabiting the moon? Number 6. Unusual footprints on the moon. If that's not enough proof, how does one explain away the presence of non-human footprints on the moon? So far, only 12 people have stepped foot on the moon, leaving their distinct bootprints on its face. But these traces suggest a peculiar form of movement not suitable to humans. Human footprints show clear outline of exactly the type of boots which come with spacesuits provided to astronauts. These tracks are clearly visible on the surface, leading to questions about where they came from. Even though we look for alien footprints on the moon, the Earth has entertained more of their fingerprints. Numerous traces of other world have emerged on Earth as well, with some following next. Number 7. Rocket crash on the moon. While we have searching for clues about the presence of non-human species on the moon's surface, Providence has sent us this nugget of pure gold. NASA recently spotted a strange image on the surface of the moon, a double crater with deep ridges that has come to light recently. Experts claim this change is the result of a recent event when a rocket crashed onto the moon's surface. Nothing unusual, except nobody knows where the rocket came from. Number 8. The Siberian cauldrons. Deep in the remote wilderness of Siberia lies a mysterious set of metallic structures known as the Siberian cauldrons. These massive, bowl-shaped objects, partially buried beneath the ground, have puzzled explorers and researchers for centuries. Locals describe them as impenetrable, with smooth and metallic surfaces, unlike any natural formation in the region. Their size and peculiar material have led to countless theories, but the most chilling one suggests that these cauldrons may have been ancient machines or weapons, possibly of extraterrestrial origin. Some legends even claim that these structures were built to ward off or observe alien visitors, while others believe they are remnants of a long-lost advanced civilization with technology far beyond our understanding. Those who venture too close often report feeling sick, as if the cauldrons emit some kind of unknown radiation. Could these mysterious objects be evidence of ancient alien technology lying dormant beneath the Earth's surface for millennia? These are not the only examples of such leftovers. Number 9. The Sabu Disk. Unearthed in 1936 during an excavation of a tomb in Saqqara, Egypt, the Sabu Disk is one of the most enigmatic ancient world artifacts. This strange, round and intricately designed object was found alongside traditional burial items, yet its purpose remains a mystery. Made of schist, a fragile stone, the disk's thin, curved blades seem far too delicate to have served a practical purpose in the harsh environment of ancient Egypt. While some experts suggest it might have been a decorative object or used in rituals, others believe the disk resembles components of modern machinery, like a propeller or flywheel. Its design is so advanced that some researchers have even theorized that it could have been part of an ancient machine or energy device, possibly influenced by alien technology. Clearly, this is a reminder of another civilization far more advanced than human. Number 10. The massive stone walls of Sacsayhuaman. High in the Andes Mountains of Peru, near the city of Cusco, lies the ancient fortress of Sacsayhuaman. This imposing structure is made up of enormous stone walls, some stones weighing over 100 tons. The sheer size and precision of these megalithic stones leave modern engineers puzzled. Each stone was carved with such accuracy that not even a blade of grass can fit between them, yet no mortar was used. What's even more mysterious is the question of how the Inca, with no written records of advanced tools or technology, were able to quarry, transport, and place these colossal stones. Some theorists believe that the technology used to create these walls is far older than the Inca civilization itself, possibly pointing to an earlier, advanced civilization, or even extraterrestrial assistance. Number 11. The Wolfsegg Iron. Discovered in Austria in 1885, the Wolfsegg Iron is one of the most perplexing archaeological finds ever recorded. This cube-like iron object was found embedded in a 20-million-year-old coal seam, raising baffling questions about its origin. Its perfectly smooth sides and sharp edges suggest it wasn't naturally formed, leading some to believe it was crafted by human or otherworldly hands long before humanity's known existence. Mainstream scientists have dismissed the object as a natural formation or industrial artifact that somehow became lodged in the coal, but those explanations struggle to account for its precise shape and age. Number 12. The Klerksdorp Spheres. Unearthed in South Africa, the Klerksdorp Spheres are enigmatic metallic objects embedded in 3-billion-year-old pyrophyllite deposits. These spheres are unlike anything naturally occurring. Some feature perfectly spherical shapes with fine, parallel grooves, suggesting they were crafted with precision that seems impossible for their supposed age. The sphere's discovery in ancient rock layers raises questions about how advanced technology could have existed long before human civilization. Mainstream scientists have struggled to explain these artifacts within conventional historical timelines, leading to wild theories. Number 13. The Dropper Stones. Discovered in the 1930s in China's Bayankara-Ula Mountains, the Dropper Stones are a set of 7 16-stone discs featuring intricate carvings that some interpret as a form of writing. These discs were found in a cave system and date back over 12,000 years. The carvings reportedly depict a story of extraterrestrial visitors who came to Earth and left these stones as a record of their arrival. The stones' origins and the meaning of their inscriptions are subjects of intense debate. Some believe the stones could be evidence of an ancient alien visitation or lost advanced technology. Could these artifacts be a part of a larger puzzle about humanity's early interactions with extraterrestrial life? Number 14. The Sky Discs of Nebra. Discovered in Germany in 1999, the Nebra sky disk is a bronze artifact inlaid with gold symbols representing the sun, moon, and stars. Dated to around 1600 BCE, the disk has baffled archaeologists and astronomers alike as its precise celestial map suggests an understanding of astronomy far more advanced than we believed ancient civilizations possessed. But what if the Nebra tribe had help? Some theorists propose that the sky disk was not just a tool for tracking the heavens, but also a record of extraterrestrial visitors. The intricate knowledge embedded in the disk about solstices, lunar phases, and star constellations is eerily accurate for its time. Could it be a product of alien intervention? Number 15. The Pyramids of Nubia. Nestled along the Nile in modern-day Sudan, the Pyramids of Nubia are lesser known but equally fascinating compared to their Egyptian counterparts. Built by the ancient kingdom of Kush, these pyramids number over 200. far more than Egypt's, and exhibit architectural precision that raises questions about how such a society, often considered less advanced, could have constructed them. While scholars attribute their construction to local expertise, some theorists suggest that these structures, like the Egyptian pyramids, could have been built with knowledge passed down from extraterrestrial visitors. The Nubians had a deep connection to the cosmos, which is evident in the alignment of their pyramids with certain celestial bodies. Could this precise alignment and their advanced understanding of astronomy be due to contact with alien civilizations? The materials used in construction and the mysterious methods required to move massive stone blocks add to the intrigue. Number 16. The star maps of the Dogon tribe. The Dogon tribe of Mali, Africa, has fascinated researchers for decades with their profound astronomical knowledge, particularly about the star Sirius. Long before modern telescopes could confirm the existence of Sirius B, a small, dense white dwarf star invisible to the naked eye, the Dogon people already had detailed knowledge of it. According to their legends, this knowledge was passed down by beings from the star system, known as the Nomos, who visited Earth in ancient times. The Dogon star maps, which include precise details about Sirius B's orbit and characteristics, have left many wondering how a supposedly primitive culture could possess such advanced information. Did extraterrestrial beings actually visit the Dogon tribe, imparting knowledge of their distant home? This mysterious connection between the Dogon people and the stars suggests a relationship with otherworldly forces that may go back thousands of years. Number 17. The ancient tunnels of the Andes. Deep within the rugged Andes Mountains lies a network of ancient tunnels so vast and precise that they defy conventional explanations. Stretching for miles beneath the surface of South America, these tunnels are believed to be thousands of years old, yet their construction seems impossible with the tools available to ancient civilizations. The smooth walls, perfectly straight passages, and complex layout have led some to propose that these tunnels were not made by human hands, but with advanced technology, possibly even of extraterrestrial origin. Some speculate that the tunnels were part of an underground transportation or energy network, designed by beings with knowledge far beyond what was known at the time. Others suggest that these tunnels were shelters, created to protect or hide something valuable from humanity. Theories about alien involvement abound, with claims that the tunnels might have served as pathways for extraterrestrial visitors or even as hidden bases. Number 18. The Peruvian giant skulls. In the deserts of Peru, archaeologists have uncovered the Peruvian giant skulls, elongated and massive in size, far different from the skulls of any known human race. These skulls, found in Paracas, Peru, are said to be over 3,000 years old. Yet their abnormal structure raises chilling questions. Some suggest they are evidence of an ancient, unknown civilization, while others go even further, speculating that these skulls belong to extraterrestrial beings who visited or possibly lived on Earth. Unlike typical human skulls, these are not just artificially elongated through skull binding, as seen in certain ancient cultures. The volume of these skulls is much larger, and they possess unusual structural differences, such as fewer cranial plates. DNA testing has hinted at anomalies that suggest these beings may not be entirely human. Could these skulls be the remnants of ancient extraterrestrial visitors, providing tangible proof of contact with alien life? Number 19. The relics of Easter Island. Easter Island, known for its Moai statues, is a remote and enigmatic place where colossal stone figures, some weighing over 80 tons, stand silently across the landscape. These statues, carved between 1400 and 1650 CE, represent ancestral figures, but their sheer size and the logistics of their transportation have perplexed historians. How could the ancient Rapa Nui people move and erect these massive structures with the technology available to them At the time, some theories suggest that the Moai statues might be more than just monumental artwork. They could be markers or beacons for extraterrestrial visitors. The precise alignment of the statues and their detailed carvings may have been designed to communicate with beings from other worlds or to mark significant celestial events. Could these statues have been a form of ancient contact with extraterrestrial civilizations, intended to guide or signal visitors from the stars? As we delve deeper into these ancient mysteries, next we will uncover the dog figurines, mysterious Japanese artifacts that some believe may provide clues about ancient alien encounters. Number 20. The dog figurines. The dog figurines are ancient Japanese artifacts dating back to the Jomon period, around 1400 BCE. These small, intricately carved clay figures are characterized by their exaggerated, alien-like features: large eyes, elongated limbs, and unusual body proportions. The most striking aspect of these figurines is their resemblance to what many might describe as extraterrestrial beings. Researchers have long debated the purpose of these figurines. Some propose they were used in ritualistic or shamanistic practices, but others speculate that they might represent actual encounters with alien visitors. The highly detailed and consistent depiction of these features suggests a shared cultural experience or knowledge that goes beyond the mundane. Could these figurines be a form of historical record left by visitors from other worlds who influenced ancient Japanese culture? If the dog figurines have piqued your interest, prepare to be astonished by the pyramids of Bosnia, a controversial and mysterious site that some believe could hold the key to understanding ancient extraterrestrial technology. Number 21. The Pyramids of Bosnia. Hidden within the lush forests of Bosnia, the Pyramids of Bosnia are a controversial archaeological find that has sparked heated debate. Discovered in the early 2000s by Semir Osmanagic, these pyramids are believed to be the remnants of an ancient, advanced civilization. The structures, including the Great Pyramid of Visoko, show remarkable precision and alignment, similar to other ancient pyramids around the world. However, the origins and purpose of these pyramids remain shrouded in mystery. The claim that these pyramids could be evidence of an advanced civilization with connections to extraterrestrial technology is intriguing. Some researchers suggest that their construction might involve lost knowledge or technologies from otherworldly sources, given their sophisticated design and alignment with celestial bodies. The idea that an ancient civilization could have had contact with aliens or possessed advanced technology beyond what was known at the time is a captivating theory. As we continue to explore these enigmatic structures, prepare for our next revelation: the mysterious signals from space, which could potentially offer clues about extraterrestrial intelligence and their communication methods with Earth. Number 22. The mysterious signals from space. In recent years, scientists have detected mysterious signals from space that defy conventional explanations. These signals, known as fast radio bursts, FRBs, are intense bursts of radio waves that last only milliseconds but release as much energy as the sun does in a day. Despite extensive research, the exact source of these signals remains unknown, leading to intriguing possibilities. Some theories propose that these FRBs could be evidence of advanced extraterrestrial technology. The idea is that such powerful signals might be the result of alien civilizations using highly advanced communication devices or propulsion systems. The potential for these signals to be a form of contact from distant civilizations, or even an attempt to communicate across the galaxy, adds an exciting layer of mystery to our understanding of the universe. Could these signals be the first indication of extraterrestrial intelligence reaching out to us? As we delve deeper into these cosmic mysteries, the next entry will uncover the Kailasa Temple, an ancient marvel that may hold even more secrets about advanced technologies and their possible connections to extraterrestrial visitors. Number 23. The Kailasa Temple. The Kailasa Temple in Ellora, India, is a monumental achievement of ancient engineering and artistry. Carved out of a single massive rock, this 8th-century Hindu temple complex stands as one of the most remarkable architectural feats of its time. The temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, showcases an intricate and elaborate design that includes a central shrine, courtyards, and a series of beautifully sculpted figures and reliefs. What makes the Kailasa Temple extraordinary is its method of construction. The entire structure was chiseled from the top down, requiring immense skill and an advanced understanding of rock mechanics and architectural design. The precision with which the temple's features were carved out of the rock demonstrates a level of technological expertise that challenges conventional views of ancient engineering capabilities. The sheer scale and complexity of the Kailasa Temple suggest that the builders had access to sophisticated tools or methods, possibly unknown or forgotten in subsequent centuries. Its creation required a coordinated effort involving highly skilled artisans and possibly advanced knowledge of geometry and engineering principles. As we explore this extraordinary temple, get ready for the Koska Cave, a site that might offer more clues about ancient technology and its origins. Number 24. The Koska Cave. The Koska Cave, located in southern France, near the Calanque de Morgiou, is an extraordinary site known for its prehistoric art and unique underwater location. Discovered in 1985 by diver Henri Koska, the cave entrance was submerged under 37 meters, 121 feet, of water due to rising sea levels after the last ice age, around 20,000 years ago. The cave is home to a stunning array of paintings and engravings that depict a diverse range of animals, including bison, horses, and even marine life like seals and fish. The artistry is notable for its sophistication, with detailed and dynamic representations that suggest a deep understanding of the natural world. Some scholars believe these artworks were created using advanced techniques or tools, which might indicate a level of technology and artistic capability that was far more advanced than what we generally attribute to prehistoric societies. The underwater setting of Koska Cave adds an additional layer of mystery. The fact that the cave's entrance was submerged long before it was discovered suggests that its creators might have possessed knowledge of navigation or underwater exploration that has since been lost to time. The preserved artworks offer valuable insights into early humans' cognitive and artistic achievements, challenging our understanding of their technological and cultural sophistication. Prepare to delve into the Antikythera mechanism next, a groundbreaking artifact that redefines our perception of ancient technological capabilities.